Alright, well this is pretty funny. It's a 1960s security alarm that you'd carry with you. You can see the holding in your hand. One of the funny things is it's really heavy. There you go, that's the cover. But it is actually a clockwork siren. So you wind it up, then you push your panic button here. I haven't wound it up all the way, but this is nearly, I just wound it a little bit, but you can see the blades creating the sound there, spinning around inside that hub there. So a clockwork security alarm, 1960s. Pretty heavy to carry around with you in your purse, and sort of amusing. So ladies, run out and buy one as soon as you can.